Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Pyinstaller is a powerful tool for converting Python scripts into standalone executables. However, it can sometimes be a bit tricky to get your packaged program to work perfectly on all systems. This tutorial aims to help you troubleshoot common issues when your Python program doesn't run as expected after packaging it with Pyinstaller. We'll cover the following topics. Before diving into troubleshooting Pyinstaller, ensure that your Python code works correctly when executed normally. Fix any issues or errors in your code before attempting to package it. Sometimes, Pyinstaller may not correctly detect all dependencies of your script. To ensure all dependencies are included, use the hidden import option during the packaging process. Replace your underscore dependency with the name of the missing dependency and your underscore script.py with your script's file name. When Pyinstaller packages your program, it changes the paths to your files and resources. Ensure that you use relative paths to access files and resources within your application. To get the current directory where your script is running, use the sys_mippass attribute. Pyinstaller might have compatibility issues with some Python packages. Make sure to use compatible package versions. You can create a virtual environment to isolate your project from system-wide packages. Implement robust error handling in your code to catch any issues during execution. Pyinstaller may not display error messages as clearly as running your script in a Python environment. Log errors to a file for easier debugging. If your program still doesn't work, use Pyinstaller's debugging features. To generate a detailed debug log, run your script with the debug option. This will create a .log file with detailed information about the packaging process and potential issues. Keep in mind that Pyinstaller is platform specific. You'll need to build separate executables for different operating systems. For example, to package for Windows, run Pyinstaller on a Windows system. The same applies to Linux and Mac OS. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify and resolve most issues when your Python program doesn't run after packaging it with Pyinstaller. Remember to test your packaged executable on various systems to ensure it works as expected on different platforms. ChatGPT.